Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to properly cancel your Shopify subscription. So this will be compiled of 3 very important steps. So stick to the end to make sure that you do it properly. The first thing you want to go ahead and do is access your account. So if you go to the top right, you will see your store name, and here you want to go down and tap on manage account. Now this is step 1. You want to go ahead to the left hand side and tap on security, and here you'll scroll down and look for devices. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is make sure that you've logged out of any other devices. All right, so the device that you're currently on, you're going to stay logged in, but if, as you can see over here, Chrome on Android, of course that's my mobile device, you're going to tap on log out. The next thing you're going to do is go over to your apps. Now you want to go ahead and uninstall any apps that you have connected to your Shopify store. Now the reason you want to do this, and this is the second most important step, is if you have signed up with one of the apps and you've connected it to your store, you may not be able to cancel that subscription after your store has been closed. So you want to go ahead and make sure that these apps are uninstalled, and that'll just stop any charges happening after you've closed your store or deactivated your subscription. You want to go now to settings on the bottom left hand side, and this is the last step. You want to go and look for plan over here and tap on that. And right at the bottom, you've got deactivate store. You're going to click on this, and right at the bottom, you will see that there is a deactivate store. Now, once you go in here, you will have the opportunity to offer some feedback as to why you are deactivating your store, and then you can submit that request and your store will be deactivated. Your subscription will be cancelled. If this was a helpful guide, drop us a like, show your support so that we can continue making great videos. We'll see you next time. Peace out.